If you are excited about AI video tools like Google VO, but every video you generate looks random, boring, or unusable, this video will save you a lot of time and frustration. Because the real problem isn't the AI, it's the prompt. And today I'm reviewing Mega Prompt Studio, a product that claims to fix that completely. Here's the honest verdict up front. Mega Prompt Studio is not an AI tool. It's something more practical. It's a massive library of 22,222 ready-made video prompts designed specifically for Google VO and other prompt-to-video platforms. If you struggle with creativity, don't know what to type, or want something you can actually resell with PLR, this is worth looking at. So what exactly is Mega Prompt Studio? It's a professionally organized collection of 22,222 highly specific prompts that tell AI video tools exactly what to generate. These aren't vague ideas. Each prompt includes scene direction, mood and lighting, camera movement, text overlays, sound cues. This is built for content creators, affiliate marketers, social media managers, faceless YouTube and Shorts creators, and resellers who want a PLR product they can sell immediately. If you've ever thought, I don't know what to type to get good results, this product solves that problem. Let me quickly explain how this works. After purchase, you get access to an Excel-based prompt library. Inside, everything is clean and organized. You'll see over 100 video categories, a clickable table of contents, prompts grouped by use case. For example, motivational videos, sci-fi and cinematic scenes, fashion and lifestyle, business explainers, social media shorts. You simply open the file, copy a prompt, paste it into Google VO or any prompt-to-video AI, generate your video. No setup, no learning curve, no trial and error. Let's talk about the upgrades briefly. The front-end Mega Prompt Studio is priced at $14.95, which is very reasonable. There are optional upgrades, including a Word and PDF version for easier editing and printing, an Ultra upgrade with additional advanced prompt content. These are optional, but if you plan to resell or customize prompts, the Word version makes sense. You don't need every upgrade to benefit, but they do add flexibility. Now, this is important. If you pick up Mega Prompt Studio using the link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive App Verdict bonus package. These bonuses are designed to help you traffic, leads, and conversions, not random fillers. Here are just some of the bonuses you'll receive. Bonus 1. WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your website and reduce bounce rate instantly. Bonus 2. Lead Book Generator. Automatically add Facebook leads to your email list. Bonus 3. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails and pages to boost clicks. Bonus 4. Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find profitable keywords from Google, YouTube, Amazon, and more. Bonus 5. Article Analyzer. Optimize your content for search traffic easily. Bonus 6. Sales Page Recycler. Reuse sales pages across funnels without rebuilding them. Bonus 7. Opt-in Monster. Add floating opt-in panels to grow your list faster. Bonus 8. Conversion Equalizer. Improve weak points in your ad campaigns automatically. Bonus 9. Affiliate Marketing Thrive. A complete video course on affiliate marketing fundamentals. And Bonus 10. Sociultima. Drive free social traffic to your videos and pages. And there are many more bonuses inside the vault. I'll mention this again later, but these bonuses are only available if you use the link below this video. So here's the final verdict. Mega Prompt Studio is ideal if you want better AI videos without guessing, you want to save time creating prompts, you want a low-cost PLR product you can resell, you want something practical, not hype. The bonuses are limited and can be removed at any time. Once they're gone, they're gone. If this product is still available when you're watching this video, I recommend grabbing it now and locking in the bonuses. Click the link below this video to get instant access. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Honest Warrior Plus reviews. To receive your bonuses, purchase Mega Prompt Studio using the link below this video. Follow the bonus delivery instructions on the page. Everything will be explained step by step. Click the link below now, check the details, and I'll see you in the next video.